Hey friends, if you wish to fix there was a problem starting winscomrssv.dll, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is to reinstall Microsoft C++ redistributable. So search for Microsoft C++ redistributable in your search bar. Go to Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Scroll down, click on the x64 version for a 64-bit computer and the x86 version for a 32-bit computer. Click on it, wait till it downloads, and then click on this option to launch it. Okay, and now you can click on repair if it's already installed, which it mostly would be, and that would reinstall the DLL. But if this does not fix the problem, then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.